All right. My small head. All right. Good morning, Leonard.
Can you release us?
No, we cannot, sir. We know that. No,
Central also want clarifications as well. Make the logo. So, just push. Yes, sir.
In this matter, for the first and second respondents, that is the Rivers State House of Assembly and Right Honorable Martin Amewula. The appeal by the governor of Rivers State was dismissed by the Supreme Court this morning following the notice of withdrawal by the governor of the appeal he filed. Consequently, the decisions of the Court of Appeal and that of the Federal High Court, presided over by Honorable Justice Somotosho J., affirming that the Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Honorable Martin Amewula, and the other 26 members of the House of Assembly are the authentic members of that House of Assembly and remain so, and that Martin Amewula is the leader, that is the Speaker of the House of Assembly. So that is the position today, and I must add that the Court of Appeal had admonished and clearly stated that the House, purportedly being led by a three-man panel, is not the Rivers State House of Assembly. Thank you very much.